Hello everyone, my name is Angela Fernandez and this is my very first YouTube video. Actually मैंने मेरा प्रोफाइल 2 साल पहले ही बना लिया था but I was not sure of what exactly should I put, and that can be equally helpful for you guys whoever is watching the video. So I thought that this is a very good time now because it's quarantine and we all are home, no one can go out. So I just thought that what about I tell you a few things that is very useful and can be very productive. You're sitting at home, you can do it from home and it will be really helpful. So in the end, please try to listen this video till the end, so that and please let me know in the comment section below if it was helpful for you. These are very basic things, but I think I'm sure it is going to be helpful because it has kind of really helped me. So I really thought to share this video with you guys. I hope you will like it. So obviously this is my first video and I am very nervous, so I just thought to write the things down, so in order to tell you those things what you can do to kill your time and try to be more productive at the same time. So here we go. First thing I have noticed is whenever you have time, it's very important to write things down. So whenever you have time, even 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever, please try to take a book and a pen and write something, whatever that comes in your mind. That will help you to kill time, that will help you to understand, that will help you to see things in a better way, that what exactly are you feeling at that moment. So try, take a pen, paper and write things down and just save it for yourself, so that when you start your normal life, you'll be able to see that what all things came up in your mind and you wrote it. Second thing would be read. Oh, this is my personal favorite, because whenever I want to kill time, so I usually don't prefer going to Netflix, or I don't prefer watching any other videos and kind of things, but I always have preferred to read, because that has always helped me a lot, improving my English, improving my grammar, improving my vocabulary. So it has really helped me. So currently, like I'll show you, currently this is the book. Oh, this sees ulta. Okay, I don't know how do I show it to write, but this is Power of the Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. It's a very good book and I've just finished half of it, and it's very good book. How it helps you to revitalize your own thoughts, and how your subconscious mind helps for you. So definitely this, my second point would be always read, because that is somewhere is going to help you in the long run. So yes, always read, and whenever you have time, you just read it, do the reading. Third would be, obviously now in this quarantine, no one is able to go gym. Some people are trying to do exercise from home and do something. But my best exercise, like I feel, is definitely household chores. There's a lot of ups, downs, like body ups and downs, like you have to get up, do things, cook food, wash utensils, and do jadu pocha and swabbing, rubbing. All these things has really helped me to maintain a flexibility in my body. So obviously my third point would be help your mother and try to do household chores as much as you can. Try to remove stuff, old stuff, do the cleaning. Whenever you have time, you can kill your time like this. My fourth point will be to talk. Yes, you please remove time to talk to your parents. If you are anyone, if you are with your loved ones, or if you are with your parents, trust me, parents are the best listeners ever you can have. So always, whenever you have time, do listen to them and do talk to them about, tell anything, talk about anything, your plans, what do you think about these things, how you talk about the situations, anything. You can talk to them about anything, and they would be there to listen to you. So talk. My fifth point is also my favorite point, which I usually do. It is introspecting. Like it's about, like, now you don't have that much of pressure, the workload is also a little less, so at this moment you can understand and try to self-talk yourself, like try to understand that what things work best for you, what are your plans, what are you trying to do, how can you make things work much better. Like you know, your productivity has come down, so you can introspect about your life, your plans. What are your plans? What are your short term plans? What are your long term plans? You can definitely, and what are your forever goals you want to achieve? This is the time that you can actually think on all those things, and obviously write it down, so that whenever you start with your daily routine, you have your agenda that this is what I've introspected, and you can try to be more focused of your life and try to achieve those things in a proper direction. And my last point would be, not everyone likes it. Men's, I don't know, I'm not sure if men's like it. It's about cooking. So cooking is really good, because why I said cooking is, you never know when you are going to be alone in life. You never know. Your mom is not going to be there. Your wife is not going to be there. Your girlfriend is not going to be there, always around. So you should at least know what to cook. So try starting with, you know, scrambled eggs, tea, coffee. That will help you kill time, and that will really help you achieve and learn something in your life. You know, you live, you do mistakes, and you learn. You do mistakes, learn out of them, and you live. This is how the circle of the life is. So I hope if you guys like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe. And yes, as and when I get time, because I'm a job person, I don't get much time, but as and when I get time, I will try to upload videos with a small content which I believe would be helpful for you. And thank you all for watching this video, and I would really love and appreciate for anyone who is doing it. So till then, be kind and strike a balance. Bye.